In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for this pop-up to show. When it does, hit remove and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. Quick tip: if you want to restore it or you will ever want to restore it, all you need to do is hold your display and wait for those options to appear at the bottom. Then select widgets between wallpapers and icon style. Now you need to hit all. At the top right corner, select the Google app after scrolling down and swipe to the left once. When you see search bar, hit Add to home screen below it. Then hold it, drag it to place it wherever you want to, and let go. When you finished, just tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!